So tonight we're trying to do something different. Purple didn't turn out like it's supposed to. You can see purple on the plate, but it kind of more looks like black on the camera. But we're going to be making a rainbow pizza. We'll see what happens in the oven. See if this was a smart idea. We will come back shortly. So yeah, here we have it, the rainbow crust. I'll show you some more photos later. So this pizza is going to be a half white, half red rainbow pizza crust. What are you doing, Mama?
I'm making a braid.
Out of the rest of the what? The dough?
The dough.
A rainbow braid, pizza braid. Woo! So we have our cheese. We have our pepperoni and sauce all spread out. And then we're going to put it in the oven for 500 degrees at 7 to 9 minutes. Dough literally looks like Play-Doh. Does it feel like Play-Doh, Mommy?
It feels like Play-Doh.
Yes, this is all edible. You'll see what happens in a few minutes. Pizza braid.
Yeah.
What is it?
It looks like the very hungry caterpillar. The head, its body.
We killed it.
But I'm rolling it out. Roll out.
Roll out that hungry caterpillar into a nice, beautiful pizza braid.
Maybe.
If it'll work. Maybe we stretched out the glutens and the glutens and the glutens and the glutens. If you don't use your glutes, you don't have gluten, and vice versa.
Yeah. I can call you Bruce. You gotta eat a bunch of gluten.
Gotta eat your gluten to get your glutes.
Oh my god. Oh. It might be too thin. Kids can't pat it yet. Yes.
We may have to make one of those rainbow poop emojis. Flip it over on itself.
Let's make it a little top. No, we're gonna try it. We're gonna still try it.
Gonna still try it? Okay, we'll see. Make it like a science.
Yeah. Oh, kind of.
Kind of. What are we putting in there? Red sauce?
Homemade red sauce, homemade pulled pork, and then we'll slice it. You want that cheese? That's hot cheese.
That's spicy cheese. Okay, then eat it.
We'll put some of it. Really?
I'd show your face right now, but I don't want people to know you. They can see in other ones. So pulled pork with a little bit of barbecue in there, and then it's going on top of the red sauce, and then we're going to actually shred some cheese with our little cheese grater, and then we'll put that thing in the oven after the other pizza comes out.
I gotta braid it first.
Braid. So I wanted to see if the actual color would still come through. Purple is also already not working for me, so it's not a big deal, but blue, green, yellow, orange, and red, you can visibly see that on the camera. And then this magical thing over here, it does honestly look like Play-Doh, but it's great.
Looks like a shoe.
Oh yes, it does. Come on, cameras, focus. Yes, it does. It looks extremely fancy. Then we're going to toss that on a baking pan and do probably about around the same time. We're going to watch it though. Just make sure it's okay. Rainbow Stromboli. Rainbow pizza. Yep, it's very surprising. That thing came out and there's no real color issues except for purple. Purple turns out really dark blue. It's there.
All the colors of the rainbow.
Taste the Stromboli.
Rainbow pizza!
Thank you for watching. A guy with a pie. Special guest.
Oh, hi.